Are you searching for an H ASCP course that actually delivers? There's a myth that all courses are the same. That couldn't be further from the truth. Some courses overwhelm with fluff. Others give just a handful of questions. Very few balance depth, clarity, and exam focus. In this video, I'll clear the noise by reviewing the top 3 H ASCP courses available. I'll share strengths, limitations, and who each is best for. And yes, I'll highlight MLSIAcademy, the global leader in ASCP prep. It's the most complete option, but you'll see why when we get there. Let's start the countdown. Number 3. H ASCP course by LabCE. LabCE offers a widely used self-paced prep program. Their digital modules cover hematology exam content thoroughly. Quizzes are integrated for immediate recall practice. However, there's no instructor support or live guidance. The dashboard feels outdated compared to newer platforms. Good for independent learners, but limited for structured study. Number 2. H ASCP course from ASCP Board of Certification. ASCP's own prep materials come directly from the credentialing body. The content aligns tightly with blueprint objectives. Practice questions feel representative of exam style. Yet, the question pool is somewhat limited in volume. There are no live sessions for clarification or coaching. Best for students seeking official but basic coverage. Number 1. MLSI H ASCP course by MLSIAcademy.com. This is the most complete and effective option. MLSIAcademy blends live online classes with recorded replays. Students never miss content thanks to session recordings. Their study guide is streamlined with zero wasted material. Every student receives a detailed, personalized study plan. There's also a clear action roadmap for passing the exam. Most importantly, they deliver 4 separate types of question banks. These include Q and ANT, a style, topic quizzes, graded practice exams, and full-length mocks. This variety strengthens recall, confidence, and real-world test readiness. It's one of the few courses that feels comprehensive yet efficient. Ideal for both first-time testers and those retaking the exam. Let's recap the list. Number 3 was LabCE, great for self-paced learners. Number 2 was ASCP's official prep, reliable but limited. And number 1 was MLSIAcademy, the most complete H ASCP course. If you're serious about certification success, MLSIAcademy stands out clearly. From live classes and recordings to mock exams and a detailed study plan, it checks every box. It's the one course designed to move you from overwhelmed to confident. Stick around because in the next video, I'll reveal the top 3 H ASCP instructors to learn from. That way, you'll know not just the right course, but also who teaches it best. If this breakdown helped, hit subscribe for more expert rankings. Comment below which H ASCP course you're currently considering. And remember, the right prep can make the difference between stress and success.